Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babahatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but pila ban legu ban puli da ka education loan. Pila aru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Ka Northeast Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Authority haga pratarik unailar arajar arfulai kila lumlang yaki Nongrep na rilom khasi ba jaintia ban pensngotho halor ka jingedei hapdeng ka rep karyang jong ukun benriau bat ka Mei Mariang bat halor ka jing penne pensa yaki klau ki betap hapo ka Community Led Landscape Management Project ya kabala penlong ha Susatham Auditorium Shillong. La play ya kani kajingya theria tai da u gunaka DB u badai u Joint Secretary jonga Sarkar Jala bad hagajo kapor u Executive Director jonga Meghalaya Basin Development Authority bad u Member Secretary jonga BRDC bad SCSTE. Ki nongya shimenta hagani kajingya theria tai ki kentup ya ka Agroecology Learning Circle nagishnong baper ki baju im kamai jakpo da garap karyang Khlem da penon kam ya ka Dawai Sboh.
Dawai lalong kobar lalong palak kan jak ke ba penon kam rumah. Bagi orang ba kita nang ban penon kam re bagi sui bagi wei kile uta ta teng lai sui tendang ya telah pak ni kan. Dau la jaga ber kadai nak tak tahu bagi ba ya berkat ro ni ko LC la sim ya ka rai pun ka kan pun hi ba ini persiang nang ni mati begini lek kepala kita gunana ini ada wan
kajingwan juga nasfas kalong ka mentoy shibun ya ka ya ki parashnong juni namar ba kane ka nasfas ka penkemau kalong ka along kum ka reminder ringi mo namar ba kadai ka generation juni gilong bangila kwa betak ka jing sub ngim dakan mau shu ki tia penrai na ne ki rap penrai mo
mentangi ngọc men ba kan pas kawan ban hitai yang ni da kan ka jing korea kala sau ban penong Sboh kana ban pen do ya ke jing Dawai ya ke jing thung jong ni
nakaliang chonga ka masik chonga ko bangan pha sikwe ko ba ni persyang ban rap da ka bangi thung tang de Sboh kanang ba kan keta habang ibab ta long lemar ba la dangi pendon kampalat ki Dawai bun mentah gini ski kalau kakta ia kembali ke jomboriau. Da kamlong sisin bersedang, handrai kini persiang lagu bertuntang dak semua bahkan suki kan bahaya.
Ia kedua sibun kijing kita kapor ban hidang sedang ban sedang ningkong ban le ya community sedang handrai dak kajing ain sim jongka neswas ban kajing tinenti jongka ni lala ban yan lim yalang mo ya ki para grup ki para member ki badan nasional ban nila persyang ban yang keren bat ki ban ai ki Symbai bagi dan normal kandiat bagi persyang ban bu apa community sedang jomi.
So one of the common things which Meghalaya is with Karnataka or with our food culture is I thought we both eat rice. So that idea went on for a very long time. We are rice eaters, we prefer rice. But it only after some time, Sanjeevji, the village which I visited along with Chief Secretary in Amlar and Nongrep, there stalls were there for our living root with villages. Every villages were supposed to showcase something unique of their villages. So in one of the village stall, I saw ragi. Ragi, basically a millet. I got quite surprised. Is it ragi or sesame? Most of the time we get confused. I mean, at least I used to get confused with ragi and sesame. Only on close observation, I can make that difference. So this is a first step. What NESFAS and MBMA has done in establishing ALCs. I mean, I cannot completely take credit to MBMA. It's NESFAS initiative, which was later promoted by Khlem project of MBMA. This is not a first in itself. I request everyone here to take a look beyond this. I was talking again with Bapish. We need more entrepreneurs. We develop traditional knowledge. We know. I mean, but someone has to take it. Within us, we have to identify local entrepreneurs. There is huge potential here. We have to make sure of this. Here, I would like to add, in my capacity as member secretary of BRDC, which is a nodal agency for organic certification. Definitely, when we go for traditional farming practices, uh, in terms of productivity, it may not be that high as when you go with modern practices. So, in order to compensate, definitely your product should get better price. This one of the way of getting better price is when you get a certification, organic certification. So, BRDC is into it. We are also trying to collaborate with NESFAS in this. Wherever villages we have been identified, wherever there are active farmers, we request you to register yourself under organic certification. The next step is, once we have this organic certification, then we try to promote these organic certified products separately, so that whatever the difference or the higher cost which a organic farmer should receive, that should be what do you say, received to the concerned farmers.